Hi guys, I'm Kamonohashi. Welcome to my Japanese lecture on YouTube, Japanese lecture by Kamonohashi. Today's lecture is how to say subway in Japanese. How to say subway in Japanese. I think train. How to say train in Japanese. I think it is not so difficult for you guys, but isn't it? Train in Japanese, 電車. 電車 and if we want to say take a train 電車に乗る but how about subway and why I choose this theme for the lecture is in 2020 Olympic Games is held in Tokyo, Japan. Olympic game will be held in Tokyo in 2020. So perhaps some of you guys will come to Japan to watch Olympic game. And when you come to Japan, you need to use public transport like a bus, train, or subway. Bus, easy. Bus, same pronunciation. In Japan, if you say, where is bus station? Or, バスはどこで乗れますか? Almost same pronunciation, bus and bus. We Japanese can understand very easily, but subway. You need to memorize how to say in Japanese subway. Okay, I'll teach you. Subway in Japanese. 地下鉄 Okay. 地下 means underground. Subway is underground, placed on underground. And 鉄 this kanji means iron, but there is this Japanese word 鉄道. It means railways. So railways underground, it is 地下鉄. Okay? And here is example sentence. If we want to say, how can I take subway? How can I take subway, or how can I use subway in Japanese? どうやって地下鉄に乗ればいいですか? どうやって地下鉄に乗ればいいですか? Okay, one more. どうやって地下鉄に乗ればいいですか? If you can't speak speedy or ordinary speed like me, but don't worry, please say exactly and slowly speed like どうやって and 地下鉄に乗ればいいですか? We Japanese can't understand your saying if you say slowly, but we Japanese can't understand your saying. So please memorize this sentence exactly. No matter speed, no matter whether your speed is slowly or speedy, but please memorize exactly. どうやって how 地下鉄に subway 地下鉄に乗る then take subway 地下鉄に乗ればいいですか? Okay, and one more. Where is subway station Where is subway station? In Japanese, 地下鉄の駅はどこですか？地下鉄の駅はどこですか？ And by the way, どこですか means where is. For we Japanese, where is or how, what is, or when is very useful phrase. For we Japanese, very useful phrase like where, how, what, or where, how, what, or when. And one of such a phrase, where, in Japanese, どこですか? Maybe I think this phrase will be very useful Japanese word for you. So please memorize どこですか? 駅はどこですか? Where is the station? And そのお店はどこですか? Where is the shop? トイレはどこですか? Where is a lavatory? Or 空港はどこですか? Where is an airport? Where is Narita airport? Okay? どこですか? It's very useful phrase. Please memorize. And these sentences. How can I take subway? どうやって地下鉄に乗ればいいですか? And where at subway station? 地下鉄の駅はどこですか? Now, how was the lecture? That's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow.
Thank you for your watching. Let's subscribe Kamonohashi channel. Check another Kamonohashi's stuffs on the web. See you next lecture.